Imagine stepping through your front door after a 12-hour leg marathon. The moment your key clicks, the foyer breathes a soft sigh of relief. Your smart walls, made of self-healing biogel, detect microfractures from yesterday's clumsy elbow bump. Within seconds, nanobots swarm and seal the crack, leaving a mirror-smooth surface.
Good evening.
Alex, the house hums in your favorite baritone. Its voice comes from the living wall, a dynamic display covered in living moss that shifts from forest green to sky blue, nudging your heart rate and brainwave data streamed from your wristband. Your home knows you're tired and craving calm. Gentle waves of bioluminescent light ripple across the ceiling, like moonlight dancing on water. But tonight is special. Your quantum AI tutor has prepared a surprise. With a soft chime, the living wall peels back to reveal a holographic rainforest. Humidity pours in, warm and sweet, with the scent of orchids. Tiny drones, no bigger than hummingbirds, flit through the air, projecting microscopic lessons in enzymatic catalysis right inside the petals. You watch as enzymes zip through biopolymer chains, glowing each time they break or form a bond. Instead of a dry textbook, you feel the pulse of life itself. The furniture shifts too. A modular table folds into a sleek lab station, arms rising like mechanical stems. Integrated microreactors pop out, each one capable of testing new polymer plants with droplets of liquid metal. Your experiments from today's seminar streaming automatically. The house's AI has matched your lab notes with global research databases, and now suggests an untested catalyst that could boost your yield by 20%. You tap to approve, and tiny robotic pipettes whirl into action. Meanwhile, the smart windows dim to mimic sunset. But they are not just windows. They're energy harvesters made of perovskite solar nanofilms that absorb starlight and cosmic rays. Tonight, they'll power your entire neighborhood neighborhood, sharing surplus energy in a blockchain-secured microgrid. Down the street, Mrs. Chen's house must be breathing easier already. As you mix chemicals, the floor beneath you shifts pattern, guiding your steps toward the sink. Ultrasonic waves gently whisk away any spill reagent, converting it into inert dust that feeds the moss wall. Waste becomes nutrients, toxicity falls to near zero. Even the air is scrubbed by your ceiling's leading algae mats, which photosynthesize CO2 into oxygen. You breathe easier, pulse steadies, focus sharpens. By the time you finish your experiment, the rainforest fades, and the living wall, reassembling itself into a calming library backdrop. Soft piano chords playing, reminding you it's time to relax. A scented breeze drifts in lavender, mixed with a hint of fresh rain. You curl up in a self-shaping armchair that conforms to your spine. And the house dims, all but the reading lamp program for perfect eye comfort. You smile. In a century, smart homes aren't just shelters. They're living partners. They heal themselves, mentor you, power your world, and even grow you. And tomorrow, when you step through that door again, they'll surprise you with something new. Because a true smart home never stops learning.